That's my friend. Hey, duckies. Hi. Let me get some food for the ducks. Little chickies, or duckies rather, sorry. That's right, little babies. That's right, little babies. Eat the food. This must be a new family, because the other ones that I showed you in the previous video, they grew up. So this is a new family right here. I haven't seen the other ducks with the red bills. I haven't seen them. I don't know where they went. I haven't seen the ducks at all. That's right, let the babies eat. Yeah, see how mother chase them off? No, I'm feeding my babies. Get away. Uh-oh, there's the father. There's the father. He wants some too, but no, let my babies eat. Find your own food. So sorry. So sorry. Let the babies eat. Isn't that precious? God is good. Oh, that's right, babies. Here he comes. Uh-oh, see? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. She ain't having it. She is not. See, mother, no matter what, is always protected. Here he goes sneaking again. Look at him. Look at him. Look at her. He look. Uh-oh, there go the father, right? He like, So he running off with his now. You better fly away, honey. That's what you better do. He eating that. He trying to eat that. Oh, here go the blackbird. Okay, I guess they had their fill. Precious babies. Precious boo-boo. And now he can come over here and eat now, I guess. Yeah. Let's see what he doing. He coming.